Anyone can call an LLM, few can build a system. Hi everyone, welcome to day 7 of 50 days GenAI challenge. So far we have learned prompting, tokens, cost, memory and context limits. Today we combine everything into one mini backend. So here I'm just loading the API key and making a connection to the model. Next, I define the configuration, system instructions, right? So this defines the behavior of our model, how the model should act like. Next, I've defined the max context token. This is our simulated context window and input and output token cost, just for an example to estimate the cost. So next, I'll initialize an empty list called chat history. This is our simulated memory. This stores all the previous conversations that happens between me and the model. Next is a estimate cost function. This takes, input and output tokens and calculate the cost for it in dollars. Here comes the interesting part. The trim history function. If the total tokens exceeds 80% of the threshold, right? 80% of the context limit, then this particular function removes the oldest user model pair. Now, this is not random. This is strategically done. This is proactive memory management. Now, then comes the core function send message. So this particular message appends the user request into the chat history, trims the history if the context limit exceeds, make a call to the model, gets the response and stores the response into the chat history, gets the usage metadata and calculates the entire cost for the pipeline. Now, let's see what happens when we call this particular function in a loop. Hi, my name is Yash. Let's see if the model replies. Hi, yes, nice to meet you. How can I help you understand technical concepts today? Now, this response was because of the system instructions that we defined previously, right? Now, let's see if it has a memory or not. Do you remember my name? Yes, I do. Your name is Yash. As an AI, I retain information within our current conversation. Awesome, right? So, as you can see, as the conversation grows, the tokens increase, the total tokens 96 to 209, cost increases and the trimming activates automatically when the context limit exceeds, and also it has a memory. Now, that's not theory, that's system design. This was day 7. See you on day 8. Bye bye.